Now, it was a good day for Toby Price on the bike today, getting to grips with the new KTM, and I say that because it's an all-new, improved bike this year. So here he is, fresh off the stage, to give you a guided tour of this absolute engineering masterpiece.
Okay guys, we're over here at the factory KTM truck, so thought we'll come out and we'll just show you the new Dakar 2022 motorcycle that Red Bull KTM have produced for us this year. So we've gone through a lot of vigorous changes this year, which has been quite a big improvement. So the last few months has been a lot of testing, a lot of time on the bike, and just trying to fine tune. We designed a new front cowling to basically disperse the wind a little bit differently. Blocks all those cold mornings on those long liaison rides. Michelin front tread and also the desert rear tyre on this motorcycle. We've changed the frame a lot this year. Seems to have helped stiffen the bike up a little bit, makes the bike a little bit more predictable in the tight and stony, rocky conditions. We've shifted a lot of the fuel down to the bottom of the bike now and trying to get that bit more center of gravity kind of feel to it. We did do a whole new design of engine this year. It's just given us a little bit more top end speed and just a little bit more bite and more traction in corners as well. So that's been a big bonus. We've also redesigned all the new shock, which is all in underneath this rear tank, which has all been redesigned also. So WP has made the new shocks for us this year. Still fine tuning little bits and pieces here, but we're starting to get our head around it now here at Dakar. It's nearly a whole brand new bike built from the ground up really, so it was actually cool to be a part of this whole process, and let's hope we can get it a good result on its first debut in Dakar. That's about it from me. Over and out.